Let's walk through how to upload your How JA Rolls Challenge video to your Instagram page. So you're going to open your Instagram application on your phone and your newsfeed or your homepage should open up. You're going to click on the plus sign that's at the bottom of the screen to start a new post. You're going to select your How JA Rolls Challenge video to upload to your page. When you select your video, you will see that the video will become a bit grayed out. Once you select the video, you then can hit Next to move on to the next step. From this page, you can also hit Next to move to the next step. Once you are at the next step, you're going to want to paste in the easy copy and paste caption that we have provided for you here. You're going to want to remove the section that says tag your friends here and enter the Instagram handles of the friends that you would like to nominate to join the challenge using the @ symbol and typing in their Instagram names. To make sure that your friends are able to see that you have nominated them, you can also hit the option that says tag people. Click anywhere on the screen of the video, type in the name of the person you would like to tag, click on their name, and then the person is tagged in your video. Once you are done, you are now able to hit share in the upper right hand corner, and you have posted your How JA Rolls Challenge video to your Instagram page.